I get with a bitch, she's stupid.
It's currently 4:30 in the morning. We got caught in a snowstorm. Shit came out of nowhere. Stuff. I'm shaking like a motherfucker's cold. Alright, bro, we made it out there. We made it out. But to pick Cam up, at least let him see the car. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Bro, I just seen this meme, and it was like one of them big ass bicycles that they rode in like the 1800s with like the big wheel in the front and the small wheel in the back. And it was like, bro, seeing one of these back then had to be like seeing the Cybertruck.
I'll tell the governor to pay you with utmost respect and money.
Okay, just respect.
I said money too. Y'all wasn't listening.
Most respect.
You didn't hear the money?
I did.
You added that bitch in as a bonus. You added that bitch in as a bonus.
No, he gives out 2 different kinds of payments.
Alright, I think we did it. I'm so fucking pissed right now. Alright, G, I need some instructions.
No, just follow that white truck.
And he's gone. Where are we going now?
Shit. Pay attention to the road. Stay to your left, and the departures will be at the bottom.
Departures is up top. We just.
Arrivals will be at the bottom. You know what I mean? You see this?
Wait, it's on.
You were over
camera.
there.
It's on camera.
You were
Stay
over
to the
there already. Why
left.
would you come this way? You were going up, not down, dumb bitch.
You said.
I said stay to your left and go down.
Left.
You. We can't. You just went the wrong way.
I can't follow you.
No, we got it right.
We got it.
You guys shut your bitch asses up. Alright, let's see. Fucking TSA. Is there a possible way from here? Domestic arrivals, dumbass.
You took us out the airport, so I don't know now.
Oh yeah, this is 7 Boeings. I love Boeing planes.
7 Boeing.
Okay, this might be it.
Where the am I? I ain't never seen this part. I've never seen this part. This shit, we're on the whole. What the fuck?
Nigga, shit, we're 9 minutes away from here. Holy shit.
What you gotta do is, hold on. What you gotta do is pick that thing in manual, stole that bitch, or in neutral, kick the gas. Let me tell you something.
I had a dream about you last night.
What the fuck? I've been at this airport for 30 minutes, by the way. Because
Yeah, and we're still fucking 4 minutes away.
Oh shit, I'm sliding. Oh, shit.
And everybody in front of us is dead. Happy reunion.
Alright, we're here. Green with these spiders. I gotta pop the trunk.
Yo, this bitch hard as hell.
About to hear that bit? Yeah, cause look, we was right there. So if I stay over here, I should be straight.
I will be back, brothers.
All right, I'm gonna be slowly rolling.
Tap you up when I get out. I can't get out.
Oh no!
Go! He got the temp. This damn pilgrim outside. What are you doing?
Samla bitch.
Hey!
Samla bitch. Samla bitch. Hello. This is where we started the morning. It's probably a good 8 inches right there. This is where we started the morning. Now we here.
We here.
We here now.
We made it.
We got Cam.
Yep.
Cam in that spider. On the, what on the feet though? But what I got on?
Shit. We got Dakota. Yeah. Motherfucking Yeezys on the feet.
On the off the PJs.
Off the
Straight off the
PJs.
bed. Off the skim drawers.
I got some skin draws here.
Oh,
Thank
what
you.
we got?
What size is this small? Hell yeah.
Big bitch.
What
I like
that
this.
is, Cam?
The aftermarket.
I like this.
Aftermarket on the T.
If y'all want one, y'all can't go get one because the shop's down.
Damn. Exclusive, bitch.
Do that. Oh yeah, these nice.
Alrighty, boys.
Good 5 a.m. trip.
Hell yeah.
Man,